Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video we'll talk about the analog pins in the Arduino Uno. So let's get started. The Arduino Uno contains 5 analog pins. Each pin has a value from 0 to 1023. You can think about analog like in a general concept. Think of it like a light bulb. The light bulb, you had a switch. When you turn the switch on, the light come out of it. So this means 1 in digital, which means 5 volts. And when you turn it off, this means 0 volt in digital, which means 0 volt. And we represent it like high or low encoding. We explained this in the previous video. You can come back when you watch it. But analog controls the brightness of the light bulb between the 0 and 1. So the analog is between 0 and 1023, like we said. So if you want to control the brightness of the light bulb, you can control the value between 0 and 1023. If you want the half of the light bulb, you can make it 5 and 13, almost 513. And if you want to increase the brightness, you can increase this value, and if you want to decrease the brightness, you can decrease this value. Analog is a general concept, but each microcontroller has its own resolution. So in Arduino Uno, it has a resolution about 10-bit. So it has values from 0 to 1023, but in ASP32, it has a resolution of 12-bit from 0 to 4095. The angle of an servo motor, you want to control it by analog. So if you want it to rotate from a potentiometer, you can turn the potentiometer right to left, and you increase the resistance or decrease it, so you increase the angle or decrease it. So this potentiometer controls via analog pins, because it gives values between 0 and 1023, which means that it gives values between 0 and 1 and control the speed, not the angle, sorry, the speed of the servo motor. The angle is represented in the code and we wrote it hardly. But as the speed of the rotating of the servo is controlled via the potentiometer, which is a variable resistance, and it is connected to the analog rail in the Arduino board. So we wanted to make it real. Let's get started.